I ddathlu dydd Goel Dewi eleni, fe fydd Cor Meibion Cymru Llundain yn lawnsio drefniant newydd o'r Emyn Dôn Babel gan Robat Arwyn. This year, to help celebrate St David's Day, London Welsh Male Voice Choir are launching a new arrangement of a hymn tune by Robat Arwyn. It's called Babel.
Imagining the singing of this hymn didn't equal with hearing it sung by a mixed choir. So I felt, to do honour to those men, the 44 men in the posse and the 3 men that were killed, that it would be wonderful to have a male voice arrangement of it.
Yes, that learning process has been quite interesting, and it's an old hymn. It hasn't been sung in Wales probably for 100 years or so, and we've really enjoyed learning a new piece really, and this new arrangement by Robat Arwyn.
It's quite a tricky piece, lots of corners, especially if you're a new member of the choir like I am. Not many of them sound as beautiful as this one, with the whole choir singing in the 4 parts.
Gerddoriaeth wedi cael ei gyhoeddi gan cwmni Curiad yng Nghymru. The music has been published by Curiad Music Publishers in Wales, and we're delighted that all proceeds raised in the sales of the piece will go to Patagonia to help them build a brand new Welsh language school. We're really looking forward to launching Babel, or Bydd Myrdd o Ryfeddodau, at St Paul's Knightsbridge in London on March the 2nd, and we hope to see you there.